Welcome to the second episode of Unchain My Heart. Today we are discussing Sunanda Pushkar's mysterious death. Sunanda Pushkar was the wife of former cabinet minister and under General Secretary of United Nations, Mr. Shashi Tharoor. She was found dead in a mysterious circumstance in a luxury hotel, the Leela, in Delhi. The couple was staying in the hotel for a while because of a renovation that was going on in Tharoor's official bungalow. Sunanda Pushkar hailed from a Kashmiri Pandit's family and was raised in Jammu, and whereas Shashi Tharoor was born in London and was raised in Mumbai. After studying in St. Stephen, he went for further studies abroad. They met in October 2009 at a party thrown by the billionaire Sunny Varkey. They got married in 2010. For both of them, it was their third marriage. Sunanda Pushkar was engaged in a virtual spat with Meher Tarar one day before her death. They were fighting over Shashi Tharoor on Twitter. Sunanda Pushkar was under the impression that Shashi Tharoor was having an affair with Meher Tarar.
Questions around the death of Sunanda Pushkar Tharoor, a death that the police is now treating as a murder case. Of the very public fight that took place between Shashi Tharoor and his wife just a couple of days before she died. Meher Tarar, senior Pakistani journalist, author and commentator, found that she was accused by Sunanda of having had an extramarital affair with her husband.
After her death, her autopsy report showed traces of bruises throughout her hand and bite marks on her left arm. This case was first taken up by Delhi police but got swiftly transferred to Delhi Crime Branch, again to be returned back to Delhi police. This case stands out among many. Why so? Is because there are a few significant blotches or gaps in the entire investigation, which started in 2014 and ended only in 2021. The doctors at AIIM suggest that they were pressurized to come up with a tailor-made autopsy report, which was not the original one. They also suggested that the death was due to poisoning. The divisional magistrate who was heading the inquest proceeding because of their less than 7 years of marriage said that Sunanda Pushkar died because of poisoning. Even Delhi police said that it's a murder case and not a case of suicide. Delhi police lodged an FIR only after a year of Sunanda's death. Delhi police pressed charge against Tharoor and his family on the ground of abetment of suicide 306 and marital cruelty, which is 498. Senior BJP leader Subramaniam Swamy indicated that he would apply for PIL and also urged the court to do a special investigation probing the mysterious murder of Sunanda Pushkar. He also claimed that there is an inordinate delay in the investigation which has resulted in a severe blotch in Indian judiciary. Throughout the case, Shashi Tharoor maintained that Sunanda Pushkar died because of drug overdose. However, there were no traces of a drug overdose found by the forensic report, which also went to FBI. There was only some indication of mild medicines which she used to take, and it was proven that that could not have resulted her death. Meher Tarar was flown back from Pakistan and was investigated by a senior officer, and she denied her involvement in the case. In 2021, over a virtual hearing, the court discharged Shashi Tharoor against all the charges that were pressed against him by Delhi police due to lack of evidence. Exactly on her 10th death anniversary, Shashi Tharoor took to the Twitter and wrote, also shared his candid photo with Sunanda.
What could it possibly be like to actually have people whispering, did he murder his wife?
There were literally falsehoods invented. That she had gone in a car to meet Ahmed Patel, that there were two hitmen from Dubai who had checked into the same hotel. I mean, there were incredible lies being made up. One politician even claimed, he poured Russian poison into her mouth, as if he had been sitting there and witnessing at the last moments this kind of nonsense.
But living through that time, your elderly mother was accosted by a neighbor with questions about what had happened and what was your role in it.
Oh, it was worse. I mean, it was, you know, she was, people spoke to her in the elevator of her building in Kochi almost as if, you know, she was the mother of a murderer.
Subscribe my YouTube channel and press on the bell icon. I'm also there on Instagram as the Ninth Born. Follow me there.